Some 10 years ago, out of the blue, I got a phone call from Daniel Jaime.
In searching for architects, I needed somebody that not only could do an evolution in the architectural style of a city, certainly not a revolution, that could take those elements that had been present for hundreds of years and project them into the future.
The project is an advanced, high-complexity teaching hospital designed to serve the people of Cartagena, a city of over 1 million people, and the wider region of the Caribbean.
I sort of appraised and assessed Daniel Jaime. I thought his ambition to do something serious and good. Cartagena is in a very beautiful coastal zone. The idea that this would be Cartagena's first hospital would really give deeper meaning and gravitas to the whole development.
Cartagena has been in need of quality health services for many, many years. When you have an architect that has the subtlety, that understands those very in-depth feelings and emotions that make up what culture is all about and what society is all about, and is able to project that into a project of that importance, that is definitely the man for the job.
And so the challenge is to respond to the functional needs of the hospital, and at the same time to remember the mission that patient rooms have views, that landscape gardens penetrate the building throughout, that most functioning rooms, waiting areas, and even the operating rooms have daylight and views into gardens. And that means not having a bulky building, but actually a building that's more fractalized, broken up, penetrated by garden. And we were kind of balancing how to satisfy operational needs while at the same time having the patients and those who work in the hospital in mind in terms of the environment that they're experiencing in real time, and trying to make it an uplifting place to be in.
The garden that has filled with bamboo in the center of the project is one that gives you more orientation. So we created almost like a continuous necklace of rooms that are at the perimeter, all of which have not only windows, but also have individual sliding shutters that allow the patient to somewhat control the environment. I like how this relates to
the original shells.
The shells that were found on the site, and that those fossils are found in the local stone.
Right.
You find even in the old city walls.
It's a beautiful building. It's a building that belongs. It doesn't look like something artificial. It looks natural. The materials are the right materials that have been used in Cartagena for generations.
This building is all about discovering a site and harvesting its potential to the benefit of the design.